Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to change alias or username of your Gmail. To change alias or username of Gmail, first click on browser, go to gmail.com, enter your email, click on next button, enter your password, click on next button, click on setting button shown on the top right side of your screen, click on settings, click on account and imports, click on edit info, enter your username, click on save change button. Now your alias or username has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.
Yeah.